Give me 5 minutes and I'll teach you how to say hello, how are you, goodbye while staying polite in French. In this lesson, we are going to learn common greetings in French every beginner should know. Very simple and very easy to remember. You ready? Let's go. Let's start with the 4 most commonly used greetings in French. Bonjour, bonsoir, salut, coucou. Now, these 4 greetings are commonly used but in different situations. Let's start with bonjour. Bonjour means good day. Good day. You can use bonjour in the morning or throughout the day. You can use bonjour in a formal or informal situation. Bonjour. Bonjour. Now, let's look at bonsoir. Bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. And you can use bonsoir in the evening time from 6 p.m. onwards. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Salut. Salut. Salut is an informal way of saying hello. You use this with your friends, your family, or even younger people. Coucou. Now, coucou is very casual. It's a casual way of saying, hey, hello there, coucou, coucou. Now, let's look at some examples. If you meet someone, for example, for the first time, you can say hello and say your name. Bonjour, je m'appelle Wendy. Je m'appelle Wendy is how you say my name is and then your name. Je m'appelle Wendy. Bonjour, je m'appelle Wendy. Or bonjour, moi c'est Wendy. Moi means me. I am Wendy. Bonjour, je m'appelle Wendy. Bonjour, moi c'est Wendy. Salut Marie. Salut Marie. Salut, that means you know the person already. They're your friend or your family. Salut Marie. Salut Wendy. Coucou. Coucou. Coucou les enfants. Coucou les enfants. Hey kids. Hey kids. So coucou is very casual again, as I said, and it can be used with people you are very close to or children. Coucou les enfants. Coucou Marie. Ça va? Ça va? Okay, what is ça va? That's what we're going to look at next. Now, let's look at how to say how are you? How are you? The most commonly used phrase is ça va? Ça va? You've seen this conversation that goes, salut, ça va? Ça va, ça va, ça va. And you are wondering what is ça va, ça va, ça va, ça va. Ça va literally means how is the going? How is the going? The going is going. So, ça va, ça va. So, ça va can be a question, how are you? How is the going? Ça va can also be the answer, which means everything is going well. I am fine. I'm doing fine. You can also say comment ça va? Comment ça va? But this is less common as just saying ça va. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Okay, another way is to say tu vas bien. Tu vas bien. Or if it's formal, vous allez bien. Vous allez bien. Are you doing well? Are you doing well? And to answer this, you can say je vais bien. Je vais bien. I am doing well. And of course, don't forget to say merci at the end. Je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci. Et toi? Et vous? Is more polite to ask the other person if they are also doing well. And you use et toi if it's someone you know, if it's informal, or et vous if it's someone you don't know, or it's your boss or someone new. Et vous, et toi, which means and you. Now let's put this together. Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Et vous? Ça va, merci. If it's more casual, you can say salut, ça va? Ça va. Et toi? Ça va bien, merci. Okay, now we're leaving. What do we say? There are a few phrases and words we can use to say goodbye in French. But before that, if you've watched this far, please do like this video and subscribe so that you don't miss any new upcoming videos in the future. Also, hit that bell so you can get notifications every time there's a new video. Okay, saying goodbye in French. The most common phrase is au revoir. Au revoir, which literally means until we see each other again. Au revoir. Au revoir. If you're leaving from work, for example, you can say à demain. À demain. See you tomorrow. Demain means tomorrow. À means until tomorrow. À demain. The last three are used to wish someone well when you're leaving. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Have a nice evening. Have a nice evening. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Have a good night. Have a good night. Okay, repeat after me. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. À demain. À demain. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Bonne nuit. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please do leave me a like and a comment, and of course subscribe if you're learning or starting to learn French. See you in the next video, and au revoir.